Alright everyone, welcome back to Sibo's Rise and Reviews, and today we're going to be doing projector door lights on the Audi S4. Alright, so here they are, and they just came in the mail when I had blocked off my name and everything, so I'll show you how they look. Alright, so these are them there. They came in a 2-pack, and we're going to be doing the front, so the front driver and front passenger doors. Might be a little hard to see, but these are the lights right here that we're going to be changing. So right now, these just emit a nice kind of goldish ambered light, just so you can see when you're coming out the car. But we're going to switch out to these projector ones, which are going to have the Audi logo, and I believe these also say S4 on them. And just so you guys can see, this is the light that's coming out of there now. Like this is kind of just an amber color, and I'm going to show you how to install, and then we'll do it after. Alright, that's a super simple install. All we needed was a flathead screwdriver. Alright, so we're under the passenger door at the moment, and all we're going to need is just a flathead screwdriver. You just want to get it into this corner and go ahead and pry this out. Alright, there we go. Then we've got these connectors here. They kind of pinch on. You're going to just pry these off on each side. And there we go. That's the old light. And the new one is here in the bag. So you can see the old style right here. And this is the new one with the projector lens right there. So we're going to go ahead and get this one installed. And as you can see, there are 2 prongs in there, and this is a 2-prong connector. You're going to hook them in the same way, and it only fits one way. So we'll slide that on, and boom, you can already see the projection here, the logo. So once we put this, or pop this back in, I'll show you how it all looks all together. So same thing, you just go ahead and pop it back in. Boom, that is complete. So the passenger side is done. And I also want to add that there is a right and left one. I don't know if you noticed in the previous part of the video, I did have the wrong side in, so I went ahead and just swapped it out and put the correct side in. It's finally dark out. Go ahead and open them up. Boom! Yeah, I dig that. That's pretty sweet. So that's how it looks. That's it. We got the projector lights installed on the driver and the passenger side. Just the front doors. You can do them in the rear as well. I did see this on someone else's Audi. They had them with just the Audi logo, and I was like, man, that's a really cool mod. I've got to do that to my car. And then when I went looking for them, I saw they did make them with S4. So if you had an S6, S5, you can also get them with that lettering as well. I can definitely put a link in the description below. That way, if you guys want to order them, you can, and it helps support the channel as well. But thanks for tuning in and watching, and if there's any questions you guys have, just let me know in the comments below. And if there's anything else you guys want to see done, just let me know, and we'll see about getting it done. Alright, thanks. Have a good day, guys.